Good morning, children. We learn area between curves using integration. Here is an interesting problem to find the area of the region bounded by the curves y equals to sin x and y equal to cos x and the lines x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi. Let us recall the sin x and cos x curves. Sin 0 is 0, sin pi is 0. In between sin 90, the value is 1. My question is between 0 and pi. So how should I draw sin x having these scale? I have 0 to pi. I can draw one arch of sin x. So 0 to pi. So this I call y equal to sin x. You have the other curve cos x. Cos 0 is 1 and cos pi by 2 is 0. So the arch comes from 1 to 3 pi by 2. Again it is becoming 0. But my question is only up to pi. So how should I draw? 1. It passes through pi by 2 up to pi. It comes here at minus 1. So we will draw the curve. It is cutting at pi by 2. From 1 I drop cutting at pi by 2. And it goes at pi, the value is minus 1. So it goes like this way. My question is find the area bounded by the curves y equal to sin x and the curve y is equal to cos x. From x is equal to 0, this line, to x is equal to pi, this line. As I check the diagram, 0 to pi by 4, red is above, black is down. That is, cos x is upper curve, sin x is lower curve. So the area I will write 0 to pi by 4. Cos above minus the lower curve is sin x dx. From pi by 4 to pi. From pi by 4 to pi. Black is above, red is down. So black refers to sin x. We will say sin x minus cos x into dx. Let us integrate and substitute the limits. Area equals cos x, the integral is sin x, minus sin x, the integral is minus cos x between the limit 0 to pi by 4, plus sin x, the integral is minus cos x, minus cos x, the integral is sin x between the limits pi by 4 to pi. As we simplify, it is sin pi by 4 minus into minus plus cos pi by 4 minus sin 0 plus cos 0 plus minus cos pi minus sin pi. Applying the lower limit wherever x comes, minus cos pi by 4 minus sin pi by 4. Let us recall the value. Sin pi by 4, 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4, 1 by root 2. Sin 0, 0. Cos 0 is 1 with minus symbol here. Minus cos pi is minus 1. Sin pi is 0. Minus into minus plus. Cos pi by 4, 1 by root 2. Minus into minus plus. Sin pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. Adding all the by root 2 terms. Root 2 in the denominator, numerator 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 minus into minus plus 1. 1 and 1 gets cancelled. We get 4 by root 2. Multiplying and dividing by root 2, we get 4 root 2 by 2 or a equals 2 root 2 square units. So the required area between sin x and cos x from the lines x is equal to 0 to the line x is equal to pi is 2 root 2 square units. Let us quickly rough through the problem. The question is between sin x and cos x. Sin x starts from 0 to pi, one arch I can complete. Whereas cos x, cos 0 is 1, cos pi by 2 0, cos pi minus 1. So we have drawn the curve like this. As we solve the two equations, I get x is equal to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. Cos is above, sin is below. So cos x minus sin x, upper curve minus lower curve. Pi by 4 to pi. Sin is above, cos is below. So sin x minus cos x dx. As we integrate, cos x becomes sin x, where sin x becomes minus cos x. Applying upper and lower limits, let us recall the values. Sin pi by 4, 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4, 1 by root 2. Sin 0, 0. Cos 0, 1. Cos pi minus 1, sin pi is 0. Having applied the values properly, we arrive at A equals 2 root 2 square units. Question number 6. Find the area of the region bounded by the curves y equals to tan x and y equals to cot x and the lines x is equal to 0, x is equal to pi by 2, y equals 0. As we know, tan x and cot x, the two different curves, let us try to draw the diagram. Putting x is 0, tan 0, 0. Put x is pi by 4, tan pi by 4, 1. Put x is pi by 2, tan pi by 2, infinity. So tan x 0, 0, 1 point, pi by 4, 1. For tan pi by 2, it goes up to infinity. So how does the curve go? It goes like this. Goes on and on. Now we have the other curve. So this is tan x curve. Cot x. Let us remember, tan and cot are reciprocal functions. Tan x 0 tells me cot x will be the reciprocal of 0, infinity. Tan x 1, reciprocal of 1 is 1. Tan x infinity, the reciprocal of infinity is 0. So as I plot the points, x is 0, cot x is infinity. So infinity, it comes like this. For pi by 4, it is 1. So this point. For pi by 2, it is 0. So it will be off the curve like this way. So this is the curve y equal to cot x. Now the question is area bounded by these curves. Let me solve the two equations. Tan x equals to cot x tells me x is equal to pi by 4. So this is the portion that I want. Area between 0 and pi by 2, also y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 is the x-axis. So this is the portion that I want, for which I have 0 to pi by 4, pi by 4 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 4, I see only the black curve, that is the tan x curve. So 0 to pi by 4, I see tan x, and pi by 4 to pi by 2, I see only the red curve, that is cot x. So pi by 4 to pi by 2, we integrate cot x. Let us remember the integral formula. Integral tan x is log secant x between the limit 0 to pi by 4 plus integral cot x is log sin x between the limits pi by 4 to pi by 2. As we substitute the limits, it is log secant pi by 4 minus log secant 0 plus log sin pi by 2 minus log sin pi by 4. A equals log of cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, secant pi by 4 is root 2. Cos 0, 1, secant 0 is also 1. Sin 90 is 1 minus log sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Log 1 cancels. I get log root 2. minus log 1 by root 2 can be written as log 1 minus log root 2. It is log root 2 minus log 1 is 0, forget it. Minus into minus plus log root 2. Or we can say 2 log root 2. In logarithm, the number near can be taken to the power. It is log root 2 squared. So my answer is log 2. Hence we get the area between y is equal to tan x, y is equal to cot x and the lines x is 0, x is pi by 2 and y equal to 0 is log 2 square units.